Could the medicine in your cabinet be putting your child at risk? 11. Young lives have been lost after a tragic medical mistake. In late August 2025, children in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, India, began falling ill after taking a cough syrup called Coldrev. Most victims were under 5 years old. Their mild colds quickly worsened, leading to severe kidney failure and, tragically, death. Lab tests revealed the syrup contained diethylene glycol, a toxic chemical used in antifreeze. Authorities arrested a doctor accused of prescribing the syrup without proper checks, and criminal action has begun against the manufacturer, Srisan Pharmaceuticals. The government has banned Coldrev syrup, sealed medical stores, and issued a warning: do not give cold medicines to children under 2. Parents, always check what you're giving your kids. Even trusted medicines can be dangerous. Stay alert and stay safe.